Every once in a while, you have that special occasion, baby. Now say it. I feel like I might be the only black girl alive with no rhythm, but anywho, it is what it is. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. It's your girl Meekah Lynne. Here we are with another quick video, baby. Please forgive me, I am coming from the gym, so messy bun, Ricky ratchet it is. But anywho, big thank you to Xrsbeauty. But most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Do hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, drop me a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we could all slay accordingly, baby. Let's go. This beauty is their Deep Wave 13x6 clear lace and clean hairline unit. I do have it in 200% density in a natural color and 16 inches, baby. Now listen, if you are not familiar with Xrsbeauty units and you are a beginner to units or wigs and installations, I'm here to tell you the lace is everything. I think we're all familiar with the regular lace and being able to see that screen door, honey, okay? So Xrsbeauty has this new clear lace that is almost undetectable. So I did go ahead and plickety plop some curls into this beauty, baby, and I will admit we are looking very multicultural with the two curl patterns, but we will fix that at the end of this video. I did go ahead and adjust the hairline, styled it to my liking, just pushed it back and added a part. And of course, I'll go over all the heat settings that I used for this, the products, everything. You got it. Okay. I like that we got real estate on this hairline, baby. So this is definitely a comfortable cap, but it is loose fitting. I would definitely use the adjustable band. Quick, easy. I'm going in with the Nairobi Rapid Shine Setting Lotion and start this off, baby. So I'm just gonna use this right on my hands. Hopefully you can see it. And I'm just gonna go right into these baby hairs and just kind of tease them down. I'm gonna try to keep this as messy as I can because I just feel like it looks way more natural the messier you keep it. Yeah. All right, we are getting it, baby. The Nairobi spray, and I'm gonna see if I can tease some of these hairs down just so I can cover it. So I'm not really liking how thick this swoop is right here, so I will push that back, get it a little bit more messy. And someone mentioned wetting the lace, and I want to see if that actually does a difference. So this is with my wet brush. Okay, so let's try to just do some really quick teasing of this area. Yeah, that's kind of what I wanted. So I'm gonna use the melt band. Now say it. I swear, when it comes to these videos, putting this melt band on and then taking it off, sometimes that's the hardest part of the video. On this channel, I try to give you guys a lot of different styles. Some are very quick, fast, out the door type of moves. A lot of synthetic units are like that, and a few human hair units are like that. Every once in a while, you have that special occasion, baby, that you need to pull something out because you feel special. Ow. And this is definitely one of those units. I did go in with my wand curler. I had it set to 410 degrees, and can I tell you how much I love deep wave hair? It holds such a beautiful wand curl, and this is just such a beautiful look. Now the curls did hold up really nicely with my wand curler. I do go in now with the Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray by Eben. Yes, I know it's an adhesive, but listen, the hold is like nobody's business. I can literally take this unit off, put it on my mannequin head, come back 2 days later, fluff it a little bit, and the curls are still in place. So it works for me. Do what works for you. Okay. A little bit of a cast if you do go too heavy with the Eben spray, but you can definitely fix that. Just squirt it with some water, and usually the cast will go away. So I think when it comes to their lace, I can't tell you how much I love Xrsbeauty lace. Now keep in mind, this is lace, it is not skin, okay? It will lift and it will look like lace, especially if you wear it glueless. So you do want to keep that in mind. I did get a little bunching on the side here, so I just had to reapply the melt band, and now we are melted, baby, and still glueless. I'm really tempted to take my pick and actually pick this out a little bit more, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this because this is such a cute, just fun and flirty type of summer style, baby. If this does not say mimosas, I don't know what will. So if you are interested in checking out the information for Xrsbeauty, I will have a direct link to their store, as well as a direct link to this particular unit in the description box down below. But thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Drop me a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.